Together, we go farther. Together. In these days of social and physical distancing, we all crave the sense of community, belonging. Together also means that we focus on what we have in common, not our differences. We all want to excel in our business. We all want to be strong for our families and for our communities. We go. Movement. We are always in motion because nothing is standing still. Change is a way of coming unannounced. Change does not come to sit in your boardroom. We are intentional. We are proactive to pivot. Farther. Farther means that we will go beyond where any of us can go in isolation. The journey will take us places that we never imagined we'd reach on our own. Everything worth pursuing is uphill, and it will be longer and harder than what we expected. The question is not how soon we can get there, but how far can we go? I want to say to you, ladies and gentlemen, on your mark, get set. It is time for us to go.